Guys, I've been playing Splatoon. I went to boss 1. I already completed it, just so you know. And I heard this. Hold up, it's coming. If you can hear that closely, I watched some videos of it. People said the most comments said that the Octarians and the Inklings are fighting over the Great Zapfish, and I'm really surprised over it. See if you can hear that. See, that's destroying their base. It's called Booyah Base, and it's, I think, in my opinion, it's a really cool base. I really like the Inklings. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the boss fight if you didn't see this playthrough. Hold on. Go. Two balls at this.
Okay.
Hello. So I can make Inkling sounds. I know how to make Inkling sounds. I know how to make the Woomy. I'll teach it. It's not that hard. It's just like you need to make a split voice. It's going like that, and then just make weird sounds. Just copy it. Okay, guys. Okay, so you're kind of a tough. You're gonna get on there. Damn it. Suck. Woo. Done. Boom! Alright, I've been playing on this, guys. See, if you can hear that. I've already got the scroll. It's up like, if you can see in the top corner, it's gonna be in the left corner, left top corner. Boom! So, if you like this video, subscribe and don't forget to smash the like button. And peace out.